welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with IOUs, Budgets, and Vlogs. I'll link our shop down below as well as the freebie for the month of January if you're interested in grabbing it. I'm so glad that we finally made it into 2025. I'm feeling kind of hopeful. The new year does that to me, and I think it does it to everybody. It's like a new start. And I think this year will be amazing. At least that's my prayer. I wanted to go ahead and do a savings challenge cash stuffing. We have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 bucks today is what I have to work with. And I grabbed my players cards. What I did decide is that I was going to start my SilynthiaC Budget Creation Savings Challenge Binder. And so all of these savings challenges you're seeing here today are in our shop. And I don't have a lot of room to work with. So let me just check to make sure you're in frame. 1 second. Okay, I think that's good for now. You'll be able to find all of these savings challenges in our shop. And as well as the IOU slips. So I'm going to play with my player's card instead of the dice, and let's see what we can do here. I was going to pull 2 cards, but I think no, I'm just going to go ahead and pull 2 cards. I'm gonna do it. So we'll pull 2 cards, right, and go ahead and see what we are working with. I do have 6 savings challenges in this binder. My Freebie Fridays binder does have 8 envelopes, but let's see here. So first savings challenge is getting $5 off to a wonderful start. So we'll go ahead and color it in after we make sure we've got everything together. $5 into my Capricorn. Okay, this is gonna go quickly, isn't it? Oh my goodness. So we have 5 bucks, but it's misfortune. Flip again and add $2. So that's $5, $6. Okay. Oh man. Okay, well, that's going to the mermaid. Okay, so we have $3, misfortune, flip again and add 2. Okay, so we have a total of 5 bucks. Man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, skip or double. We're just gonna double it. It's $1, so $2 here. All right, and we have $10, and all right, $4 going into our coffee and puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, okay. So all of our envelopes have gotten some love, and at this point we have $13 left, and I need to see how we are going to make this work. I'll just go ahead and pull the card. 1 card for, let's start with 1. Okay, $2 here. Okay, and then let's see here, $1. Now we get into the nitty-gritty. I need to figure out how I'm going to make change for this 10. Skip or double. Okay, so that's 8 bucks. And there's not, I think I want to do that. I think I want to put $8 in there. So let me see. Ooh, let's see. How much is this one? Okay, let me get my brain right. 1 second. Okay, I've gone ahead and switched that 5 out and got some smaller bills. We're gonna double this $4 and make it 8, so we have $2 going back here. And I'm out of cards. Let's go ahead and shuffle them. I may have an IOU at the end of this. Oh, I really don't want an IOU. Should I just put $2 in there? Oh, let's just do it. We're gonna go for it and hope that at the end of this we do not have an IOU. Okay, $2. Yes, that's been happening for me. I think, oh, okay. Fantastic. That is wonderful. Let's go ahead and try to get through this as painless as possible. So what we'll do is we will color off, because I have $7 here. Um, let's color off the 5, and then we'll fold the other 2. Yeah, so that way I know that this is what we're working with. I was going to do the 1, but I may need to save that for when, you know, it gets tough. We're going to save that for when it gets tough. All right, so next up is the Capricorn Savings Challenge, which is getting $6. And let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we are getting all of the Zodiacs loaded into the shop. I'm not certain if they're in there yet, but we had been doing them slowly but surely. But we wanted to get the whole set live. But Capricorn is for sure already there. All right. Now the mermaid, which is, I don't want to say she's my favorite, but she's my favorite. With 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bucks. Man, we're going to finish this one pretty quickly, it looks like, at this rate. Oh, I'm dropping my pen. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Are you kidding me? Did I say 14? 10, 11, 12. I did. And the first time our mermaid made an appearance, she showed out. Let me grab another saving challenge. All right, so I went ahead and added the other mermaid. I was going to do a different one, but I think I like the mermaid set. We're just going to continue on with the mermaid set, and we'll add something different later. Okay. I cannot believe first video stuffing these and we've got a completed savings challenge. All right, next up is anime. This anime savings challenge, this one comes with the denominations, the numbers already set, and because my budget is not set up for those kind of numbers, I went ahead and I covered my numbers, and we're adding $7, so each image is $1. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! So, and this is a cute little set. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I do have another savings challenge that I am working on that will include the anime. Hopefully, I'll start that one soon. I have a lot of ideas and plans, but I don't want to overdo it. At this point, I'm just trying to build a solid foundation, shall I say. Next up is our tattoo set, and this one is getting $2. Let's see here. 1, 2. Okay. And some of the savings challenges have high denominations, low, as well as blank. And if they're not blank, you can do like I did and just cover the amounts if that works better for you. So the Coffee and Puppy savings challenge is getting $1, 2, 3, $4. Use a different color. So I'm going to have to color that in. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that is fantastic. I'm so glad to see it. I'm at least trying to stuff this binder once a week. If I'm able to, you know, work it out and get a few more bucks, then I will work on, you know, stuffing it a few more times. I do have my Freebie Fridays binder that I'm working on as well. So I do want to try to keep saving and saving as much as I can. Both of these binders, though, they are going to be going to my sinking funds. So I will combine the money and then reallocate the funds into my sinking funds binder, because I have to make sure that I'm doing better with my sinking funds than I have ever, just because the last year has shown me that more than ever I need to make sure I've got my stuff together. So we've gone ahead and stuffed our savings challenges for SilynthiaC Budget Creations. We completed one of our mermaid. It is a set of 3 in the shop, but we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bucks, which I will be adding it to the completed savings challenges. And once I feel like I have enough money, then I'll do a sinking funds, cash stuffing, reallocate the funds. But if you're interested in anything that you've seen here in terms of the savings challenges, the players cards, the IOU cards, anything like that, feel free to check out the shop, you guys. And I do want to give a special thank you to anybody who's been shopping there and who has stopped by and favorited anything. We've been getting a lot of traffic over to our shop, and by that happening, it's encouraging other people to stop by as well. So for that, I'm truly grateful. And I want to thank each and every one of you so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.